The Live Sound degree at dBs Institute of Music is designed for those who want to build a career at the heart of live music. This course develops you as a highly technical and creative practitioner, capable of delivering exceptional live experiences and in demand across the industry. From your first year, you'll gain hands-on experience in live mixing, signal flow and system design. You'll explore the science of sound, digital mixing workflows and the planning skills required to deliver professional events of any scale. In your second year, you'll advance into sound system design, audio networking and immersive formats, while refining your professional identity and working on industry briefs. Optional modules allow you to branch into areas such as live recording and broadcast, advanced mixing or performance technologies. And many of these modules also connect you with performers, producers, DJs and event managers across dBs, giving you the chance to collaborate and gain practical experience in real creative contexts. Your final year is all about professional readiness. You'll undertake 2 major projects, one centred on innovation, where you'll experiment with new approaches or technologies, and another that develops a portfolio showcasing your technical strengths, creative problem solving and career ambitions. Optional modules provide opportunities to explore festival production, leadership, advanced acoustics or music education, depending on your interests. Graduates of this course leave dBs as confident and versatile professionals, equipped to contribute across the live sector. With a balance of technical expertise, creative decision-making and practical experience, you'll be ready to shape how live music and events are delivered, from intimate performances to large-scale festivals to emerging frontiers such as immersive audio, hybrid events and technology-driven live experiences.